Welcome to Grab the Horns. Today what we're going to be looking at is metals, more in particular silver. We're going to be actually analyzing the ETF that represents silver. It's the iShares ETF SLV. So we're going to go ahead and dive into silver. To start, before that though, we're going to take a look at gold. Gold, obviously one of the partners in crime for silver. So let's start with gold. We'll transition into silver and go from there. So we've got a great show put together. Let's go ahead and get started. Gold is one of those commodities that will typically rise when the economy is doing poorly. Now, gold has continued this long-term trend upwards that it's seen over the last 2-3 years here, and it's been fueled by a lot of different things. One of the main things that it's been fueled by recently here is OPEC's announcement to hold production quotas, and then subsequently the rise in oil prices has come from that. Now, oil prices, commodities in general, metals, typically go in the same direction, and right now we're seeing that happen, especially with the metals and the oil prices. Gold again is right off of its highs. It's 10-year highs here, so we're definitely seeing an upward trend with gold. Now, most of the demand for gold is due to the uncertainty of the value of the dollar. Weak dollar concerns have really plagued our economy here. A lot of fear due to that, and it's really been hitting the economy in general, which has caused metals, gold in particular, as well as silver, to really see some uptrends in their price itself. So that's one of the fears. Another fear is hyperinflation. That may be something that will occur due to the Fed's past and future actions. Obviously, QE1, QE2, the talks of QE3, a lot of money that's been printed here, a lot of money going into circulation. This is a fear that inflation will pick up. When inflation picks up, commodity prices go up. That's what we're seeing with gold. So this brings us to silver, whose demand has also risen for similar reasons as gold. As of September in 2010, silver had two steep runs, making a high of $48.35. It's currently trading right around $36, so it's significantly off its highs. But silver has also seen quite a trend upwards that follows kind of what gold has been doing as well. Currently, silver has a chart pattern showing an ascending triangle, which is typically bullish. Basically, if you took a line, drew it from here to the bottom price here, and took a line from here to here, you're going to see an ascending triangle, which again is typically a bullish sign. Now, depending on quantitative easing, the potential of QE3, that could very, very possibly impact the price of silver if something like that were to happen. However, with that said, the Fed has come out, and up until this point, they've been quoted as saying it's very unlikely. The thought is that QE3 may come out under a different name this time, because obviously there's a lot of negative stereotyping with QE1, QE2 now, seeing the amount of money that has been spent to try to revitalize this economy that we're in. However, if something like that were to come out and silver were to go up to $38 a share, chances are is that it's going to break through that $38 a share price, and it could go up and hit new highs. We saw it back here, hit $48.35 as a high. It could very likely break through $38 a share and continue to rise up from there. Now, also, with Washington playing politics on whether it will raise the debt ceiling by the deadline of August 2nd, again adding more uncertainty, the demand for gold and silver will probably continue. So there's a lot of things right now that are trending towards a demand for gold and silver, and obviously supply and demand. When demand goes up, prices will also go up. So, it comes back to that point, we could see some more rises in silver. Silver is likely to have wild swings in price, making it a perfect stock to day trade. Also, SLV options have extremely high volume right now, both monthly and in their leaps, and they've got a very low bid-ask spread, which is always a good thing anytime you're doing any sort of trading with options. Now, those with a weak heart should clearly stay away from silver. However, if you're looking for something to trade that has high volatility, silver might be right up your alley. It should definitely be in your list here if you are looking for something with a lot of volatility, something that you can do some day trading, possibly some swing trading with. With that said, hope that today really helped a lot. Hope that you were able to take something away from our analysis of silver and gold and the economy in general. As always, go out there, grab the horns.